War has shaped human history like nothing else. From the clash of swords to the devastation of nuclear weapons, the evolution of warfare is a story of innovation, destruction, and power. But how did we go from primitive blades to weapons capable of wiping out entire cities? Today we uncover the rise and transformation of warfare, one weapon at a time. For thousands of years, war was fought up close and personal. The earliest civilizations relied on stone-tipped spears, but soon bronze and iron revolutionized combat. The sword became the symbol of war. The Greek xiphus, the Roman gladius, the Japanese katana, each culture developed its own version of the ultimate melee weapon. War was brutal, but it required skill, discipline, and physical strength. Yet, everything changed when humans discovered the power of projectiles. The bow and arrow turned warriors into killers from a distance. The English longbow, the Mongol composite bow, and the deadly crossbow all gave armies an edge on the battlefield. But nothing changed warfare like gunpowder. The Chinese first used gunpowder in fire lances and rockets, but when it reached Europe, it revolutionized battle. Muskets replaced bows. Cannons shattered castle walls. The battlefield was never the same. With gunpowder came a new era, one where warfare became a science. By the 18th and 19th centuries, warfare wasn't just about who had the strongest soldiers, it was about who had the best technology and tactics. Napoleon used grand strategy, maneuvering troops like chess pieces. Artillery became the king of the battlefield, bombarding enemies from miles away. Then came World War I, where machine guns, tanks, and poison gas made traditional warfare a bloodbath. The war became a war of attrition, with soldiers trapped in trenches, unable to move without being cut down. But war wasn't done evolving. It was about to take to the skies. For the first time in history, war wasn't just on land and sea, it was in the air. Planes were first used for reconnaissance, but soon they were armed with machine guns, bombs, and missiles. Air superiority became crucial. The faster, deadlier, and more advanced a country's air force was, the more powerful it became. Then came World War II, and with it, the dawn of the ultimate weapon. In 1945, everything changed. The atomic bomb was no longer just an idea, it was a reality. With the dropping of Little Boy and Fat Man, war was never the same again. One bomb could wipe out an entire city. Humanity had entered the nuclear age. The Cold War saw nations racing to build bigger, deadlier weapons. From the hydrogen bomb to ICBMs, intercontinental ballistic missiles, the world teetered on the brink of global destruction. For the first time in history, war wasn't just about winning, it was about survival. So where do we go from here? Warfare has evolved from swords to nuclear weapons, but what comes next? Drones and cyber warfare are changing the battlefield. Artificial intelligence is being integrated into war machines. Hypersonic missiles can strike anywhere in the world in minutes. The next war might not be fought with guns or bombs, but with data, AI, and autonomous weapons. One thing is certain, war never stops evolving. The only question is, will we be ready for what's next? Screen fades to black, followed by text. The greatest weapon of all is knowledge. If this video made you think, hit like and subscribe for more deep dives into history and technology. What do you think the future of warfare looks like? Let's discuss in the comments below.